So today, I'm going to be showing you how to take out your Subaru's taillight. Yep, it's simple. First thing you need to do is pop your hatch. The second thing you need to do is take these two clips out. They are 4-way. You got to twist the 4-way just a little bit till it pops out. You can take a 4-way and hold your finger on one side and twist it enough, just get it to pop out. Once it pops out, you can just pull straight out on it. Just like so. And set it to the side, because you don't want to lose these. Next step is to remove this, and what you want to do is kind of just gently pull out. Just like so. And then pull straight out. Set it to the side. Now you got two 10mm bolts here and here on this side of the tail light. Okay, once you get that, you can pull gently straight out with the tail light. And pulling straight out will slide it off the clips. Now once you get that, you can twist these guys, your bulbs out. And then you can set your taillight to the side. Now the other side comes off exactly the same as this one did. And to install it, you just follow the directions in reverse from the way you took it off. So I hope you enjoyed. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button if you ain't already. I'll see you on the next video.